Good morning children, welcome back to the class. So, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping at home and take care and study well. So, other thing is mostly important thing, study well. Many parents are telling not study well. So, you have to keep some time for your studies. In previous classes, as we have seen, traffic signals that I have given you as a homework. That what you have to do, again I am reminding you all, you have to draw the pictures and color it in your copy only. You have to draw the picture and color. The 26 I have given you some question and answers that you have to write in your copy. As normally you have to complete the textbook exercises. They have given as a blanks that you see and complete. Now, today let us start the new lesson. So what is our new lesson? Lesson number 27. Lesson name is what? Strange world transport. So strange world transport. About the strange transports we are going to see. Strange means what? The things what we cannot see regularly. Very often we see. Every place we cannot see such a kind of transport. So that's why we call them as a strange transport. Here some very few we are going to discuss. Not everything in the world, so many are there strange transport, but about the few we are going to discuss in this class. Within that, and mainly where we will use this strange transports and all, mainly tourist areas. So mainly tourist areas or different places only we see this kind of transport. This is worldwide we are seeing, not in a country. So worldwide we are seeing, so in the world, wherever the strange transports are there, some we will be discussing in this class. So come to the page number 37. Open the page number 37. The first one. A funicular is found in Turkey. So what is the first transport name we are talking? F-U-N. Funicular. So about the funicular we are going to speak in this. So this is found where in Turkey, the place of Turkey. Where it is found? In the place of Turkey. T-U-R-K. Turkey. So in the place of Turkey, this is the transport name and this is the place where we go. So it is kind of a railway on which a tram moves up and down a hill using a cable. If you see the picture, you can understand. So with the help of the up, the cable will be there, the down like a railway track. So the railway track will be going from downwards to the up hills. So from down to up hills it will be moving. If you see in your textbook, the picture you can understand. So this is a moving from down to up and again from up to down, from the hills to go to the hills area we use this kind of transport. What is the transport name is? Funicular. So this is the transport and mainly where we see in the place of Turkey we are seeing. The next one, second one if you come to the Santago is a pick-up truck used in Thailand. So second one, S-O-N-G T-H T-H. So this Santago is mainly used in where? Which place? Thailand. Thailand. In the place of Thailand we will be using, and also called for this one more name was there. What is the other name? Band bus. What is the other name? Band bus also we can call. So in that particular area, this is the real name Santago. So but they call this one as a band bus, where we are using in a place of Thailand. In the place of Thailand we are using. It has two benches. Two benches sit in it, two rows, used as a shared taxi or the bus. So in the textbook you see that this is the band bus and here two sides, two rows are there, and they can sit in two sides, and they can use this one as a taxi they use, and as a bus also they use. So this is the one about the band bus we have discussed. The next transport is found in Hawan and Varidor. So in two places we see. Next one in two places we are seeing that is a co-taxi. Taxi, we can say taxi. And where in two places we are mainly seen in Havana and next one more is Varidor. So in these two places mainly we see this coco taxi. This coco taxi is how it is like a coconut shell. Open shell will be there when we open the coconut. So like that. Shaped like a hold out coconut. So when we take out the coconut, so like that. There are yellow taxis for tourists and black taxis for locals. So two kinds. These coco taxis are yellow ones are for the tourist people and black ones they use for the local people. In local also they use this one and for the tourist people they use the yellow color. So that we can recognize very easily. And in which place this is Havana and Varidor. So in these two places we see this coco taxi. The next one is Hubble Hubble. The next one is what? H-A Hubble Hubble. So Hubble Hubble is used in a Philippines. Where it is used in a place of Philippines. Philippines. In the place of Philippines we see this one. And as two hills. So like a bike we can say. Transport, but it can carry up to 10 people. You see two sides. This is like a bike only, but two sides they have kept the seats also. Two seats are there, they can sit. So total 10 people can travel at one time. In this Hubble Hubble, 10 people can go at one time. And where we see this kind of in a Philippines we see. It runs on rural roads carrying people and goods. So for the carry the people also they use, and for the transport of the goods. So for that also they will be using this Hubble Hubble. And the last but not least, Ice Angel boats. What is that? Ice Angel boats. So these Ice Angel boats are mainly we see in two places. We should go on side. And the next one, Ground Apostle Islands. So in the Ground Apostle Islands they use mainly during the winter. At what time? During the winter they use a 2-mile ice highway. So 2 miles of ice highway. So the ice will be there on that ice highway. This Ice Angel boats will be going. So in that particular places it is filled with ice. So in winter season on the top of the ice, so ice is everywhere spread. On the top of the ice this Ice Angel boats will be used. And highway forms for the Ice Angel boats to cross from Midland Islands to Michigan. So in the Midland Islands to go to the, for that they have used this Ice Angel boats. And about all this we have discussed what are the transports we have seen, funicular and band bus we have seen, and Robo Taxi and Hubble Hubble and Ice Angel boats. So this is about the lesson 27 we have discussed. This is the different kinds of transports we have seen. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, and I will give you the PDF. Please see the video so that you can understand. Thank you all.